How to silence unknown callers on iPhone. To silence unknown callers on iPhone, you first need to open up Settings on your iPhone. Then, you need to scroll down to the end. After that, tap on Apps. Once you're in, you can manage all your default apps on iPhone. Now, scroll down to the Phone application. Once you're in, scroll all the way to the Silence Unknown Callers option. Make sure you toggle on this option over here. Once you've toggled on this option, calls from unknown numbers will be silent, sent to voicemail and displayed on the recent list. Incoming calls will continue to ring from people in your contacts, recent outgoing calls, and Siri suggestions. By following these simple steps, you can easily silence unknown callers on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.